Aronia, the healthiest plant in the world recipe. Aronia, also known as chokeberry, is indeed considered a superfood due to its high levels of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It's often praised for its potential health benefits, including supporting the immune system, improving cardiovascular health, and reducing inflammation. One popular way to incorporate aronia into your diet is by making a delicious and nutritious smoothie. Here's a simple and refreshing Aronia Berry Smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh or frozen aronia berries, washed. 1 ripe banana. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, plain or vanilla. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any milk of your choice. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional, for added sweetness. 1 teaspoon chia seeds or ground flaxseed, optional, for added nutrition. Ice cubes, if using fresh aronia berries and you prefer a colder smoothie. Instructions: wash the aronia berries thoroughly and remove any stems or leaves if using fresh berries. In a blender, combine the aronia berries, ripe banana, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and honey or maple syrup if using. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, you can add less milk, or if you want it thinner, add more milk. Optional. Add chia seeds or ground flaxseed for extra nutrition. These ingredients are rich in fiber and healthy fats. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and well combined. If you are using fresh aronia berries, you can add some ice cubes to make the smoothie colder. Taste the smoothie and adjust sweetness if necessary. You can add more honey or maple syrup if you prefer a sweeter taste. Pour the smoothie into glasses and serve immediately. Garnish with a few aronia berries on top if you like. Feel free to customize this recipe to suit your taste preferences. You can add other fruits like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries to enhance the flavor and nutritional profile even further. Enjoy this Aronia berry smoothie as a delicious and healthy treat any time of the day.